JupyterLite is a lightweight, browser-based version of the Jupyter Notebook environment. It allows users to create and run Jupyter Notebooks directly in their web browser without the need for a server or installation of any software. In this video, we explore several key features of JupyterLite. We begin by demonstrating how to preview Markdown files and create a Pyodide notebook for displaying RSS feeds. The second segment of the video focuses on a straightforward data science example, showcasing the capabilities of JupyterLite in data analysis and visualization. Be sure to check the link in the description for access to our JupyterLite instance, where you can interact with the Jupyter notebooks featured in this video. Local Jupyter notebooks can be easily dragged and dropped into the browser's JupyterLite interface. In this example, we will display the 4 quartets of the Anscombe dataset. The Anscombe dataset is a classic example in statistics, consisting of 4 distinct datasets that have nearly identical statistical properties, such as mean and variance, but exhibit very different distributions when graphed. This highlights the importance of data visualization in understanding underlying patterns. Thank you for watching. We sincerely appreciate your time and support. If you found this video valuable, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Additionally, we encourage you to explore the links in the description for related resources and further information.